pressure looks.
Whatever we're involved in, our aim is always the same: to be one step ahead. It isn't only technology that makes the difference, or the tools you use. No, what sets us apart from the rest is people. People who understand raw materials and know what to do with them, transforming them into something that has no equal. People who know how to use technology, surprising clients with innovative solutions. A masterly symbiosis between humans and robots. A team intent on reaching a single goal: perfection. A result that finds its form and content on final assembly. And then there's quality control, relentless and uncompromising. The final step on the way to a job well done. Giving more, it's in our DNA. That's what we're about, and it's why we've never stopped since 1951.